Hi students, my name is Satyam, lecturer in computers, Government Degree College for Women, Jagityal. Today's topic is in e-commerce, iWay, components of iWay and the definition of iWay. So this is asked in the examination, explain the components of iWay and define the iWay. The definition of the iWay. iWay can be defined as broadband and interactive electronic pipeline to the home or office, which is capable of supporting a large number of e-commerce applications and provides interactive phone connectivity between the users and services and between the users and other users. The mechanism, the technology between the user to the e-commerce websites, from the e-commerce websites to the consumer, or vendor to e-commerce sites, e-commerce sites websites to customer. This total transactions between vendor to online business websites, online business websites, that means e-commerce websites, to the vendors, or customer to customer transactions. Okay, this total transactions are done on with the help of a technology platform. That platform is called as, the technical components are called as iWay. The iWay supports or connect, establish a interconnectivity between the customers, vendors through the e-commerce sites, and customers to customers relations, customers to business organization relations, and the transactions are going on between all these persons with the technology of iWay. With the help of iWay technology, this total online business is going on. The online business is going on. So that's why here iWay can be defined as, iWay is defined as broadband and interactive electronic pipeline. It is a broadband or internet and our interactive electronic pipeline. Simply the broadband is say that interactive electronic pipeline to the home or offices, which is capable of supporting a large number of e-commerce applications and provide interactive phone connectivity between the users and service providers and between the users and the other users. Okay, so if the online business, that means e-commerce business, successfully implemented, but internally the iWay mechanism, the technology, the broadband technology, the computer technology, okay, so is appeared, is worked out. Okay, so it act like a mediator between all these persons, all these organizations. Okay, so the iWay is used. Okay, so this is called as the iWay. The next components of iWay. which components are involved in this highway technology. The following diagram represents the major components which make up the highway infrastructure. So, if a technology is successfully implemented, that technology must contain so many components, so many electronic components. Okay, with the connectivity between that electronic components, the broadband components, okay, so a technology is established. Okay, for example, if you take the banking organization, okay, so the banking organization nowadays, totally the banks are providing online transactions, mobile transactions, okay, and banking applications, through banking applications. For example, if you take the SBI, so the SBI YONO app will give the services which are available more than the physical bank. If you go to the physical bank, the location of the physical bank, you get some services only, but through this banking application, that is, for example, YONO SBI, you can take the services which are available in the physical bank. Not only that services, but also you may invest your money in the market. Okay, you can deposit your money through YONO, you can transfer the money, you can change your passwords, you can request your checkbooks, you can block your debit card, you can apply your credit card. Total transactions which are available in the banking organization, that is available with the YONO app. Okay, it is good. In the back end, the YONO app is take the support of technology. The technology is nothing but the software of YONO and the hardware and client server mechanisms of the banks. Okay, so and broadband connectivities between the customer to the bank servers and bank organizations. Okay, total, this is nothing but an highway of that bank. Okay, so same just like that in the online business also, you can do the transactions, the e-commerce businesses or the highway mechanisms. The online mechanism will take the support of highway technology. Okay, so this highway technology contain some components. Okay, so that components are explained, okay, in this picture. First one, consumer access equipment. So end to end, that may be B2C, business organization to the customer, or C2C, customer to customer, or B2B, business to business. Okay, whatever it may be. So there are two ends are there. In the two ends, there are two persons are there, either business organization or the customer, or customer to customer. Okay, whatever it may be. Okay, in between the transactions are going on with the help of highway components, highway technology, and the highway technology contain the highway components. Then the consumer access the equipment. The consumer or business processing, business organization take the support of local on ramps technology. Through the local on ramps, then the global information distribution network is connected. Through the global information network, again it will go to the local on-ramps technology. From the local on-ramps technology, again it will go to the access equipment or consumer equipment or organization. For example, the consumer raise a request. The request is gone through local on-ramps technology, and through the local on-ramps technology, that will be entering into the global information distribution network. From the global information distribution network, again it will go to the local on-ramps at the other end. Okay, so from the local on-ramps at other end, customer or business organization will take that request. Okay, so like that, IVA components are majorly classified into consumer or access equipment. Okay, then local on-ramps, then global information distribution network. Okay, so in the consumer access equipment, okay, so there are some hardware and software related parts are there. That means software are there, hardware are there. Through the that one end point, the requests are raised to the local on-ramps. The local on-ramps may transfer the information into the global with any type of the local on-ramps technology. So this technology may be telecom broadband infrastructure, or cable TV based infrastructure, or wireless information infrastructure, or commercial online infrastructure. Okay, these are nothing but the local on-ramps different local on-ramps technologies. Then go to the global information. Then the global information is occurs the satellite network technology, or worldwide technology, or WAN technology, wide area network technology. Okay, so these are comes under to the global information distribution. So this figure briefly explain about the consumer will raise the request with access equipment, and that access equipment will take the request to the local on-ramps. Then from the local on-ramps, it will go to the global information distribution network. Then the global information network, again it will go to the local on-ramps, and from the local on-ramps it will go to the another end, from one end to the another end, and vice versa, and reverse manner also same. Okay, so now I will discuss about one by one. First one, consumer access equipment. It includes hardware. The consumer access equipment contain hardware and software. Vendors who provides physical devices such as routers, switches, computers, and set-top boxes, and softwares such as browsers and operating systems, all these things. Okay, so the consumer access equipment, the consumer will access the e-business, online business, through this consumer access equipments. This consumer access equipments contain the software. If the consumer is accessing the e-commerce websites through mobile phone, the mobile phone contain the software, Amazon software, or Flipkart software, or other online. Okay, Myntra, one of online business platform, or Tata Click. Okay, like this, so many examples are there in the market. Okay, so the corresponding software, for example, if you take the banking organization, Andhra Bank online banking application, SBI YONO application, these are the banking services. Okay, like that in the online business, each and every organization creates its own software, and that software is given to the customers. Through that software, through that particular application, the consumers can interact with the organization, business organization. Okay, so compulsory the in the consumer access equipment, a particular software must be exist. Through that software only the consumer can interact with the business organization. Okay, so where is the software available? Okay, so the software is available in the particular hardware device. For example, SBI Yono app is there, or Amazon app is there. That app is, that application is available in which place? Or your desktop computer, or your laptop computer, or your mobile phone. That mobile phone or laptop computer or the desktop computer, these are the hardware components of the consumer. Okay, the consumer first of all, okay, he have own his hardware components. The hardware components contain the software vendors. Okay, vendors particular softwares, vendors particular supplied softwares. Then whose provides physical devices, such as through the physical devices the consumer can access the particular vendors. Okay, so in the internally this particular hardware, that means mobile or laptop or desktop or server, whatever it may be, the physical device, with the help of software, that is connected with the routers, that is connected with the routers, local area network. First of all, it will be connected to the local area network. The local area network is can be accessed with the routers, okay, and switches, okay, so and set top boxes, all these things. Okay, so with the help of particular softwares, that local area network is connected with the, okay, so then particular local area, local and ramps technologies. From the local and ramps technologies, it will be connected to the global technologies. Okay, so from the global technologies, the again the requests are sent to the business organization, the with the help of local and ramps technologies. So the local and ramps technologies again connected to the consumer. Okay, so the consumer, that consumer means the business organization, another end. Okay, the business organization will receive the request from the customer, and according to the request, the requests are processed, and the processed requests are given, and the answers are given to the consumer again. Okay, so like that the online business is going on. Okay, so for example, if you take if you want to buy a particular pen drive through the Amazon portal, so then with the help of your hardware, that is your mobile, then you can open the Amazon application. Then through the Amazon application you ordered a pen drive. The pen drive order is sent through your wireless network. Your mobile contain the data net facility, then your mobile in the wireless application mode, that means local and ramps technology, wireless application, the information will be transferred from your mobile to particular your cell towers. From the cell towers, with the help of global information distribution, that is the cable technology, or OFC, optical fiber cable, or whatever it may be, the satellite technology, the information is transferred to the Amazon through the Amazon site, is reached to the Amazon site, and according to the your request, your pen drive purchasing request, then the Amazon is processed and give the responses to you, and that is shown on your mobile. So again vice versa, that will be come back from the global distribution system to the local LAN ramps, from the local LAN ramps to your mobile. Okay, like that. So it will be the requests are going from one end to the another end, and the answers are coming from another end to the consumer. Okay, so like that, the consumer access equipments are in this process. The consumer access equipments are included hardware, software of vendors who provides physical devices such as routers, switches, computers, and set-top boxes, and software such as browsers and operating systems. All are these belongs to the consumer access equipment. Okay, then next, local LAN ramps. When the consumer is raised a particular request, then the request is coming from your mobile or your consumer access equipment to the local LAN ramps. Okay, so the local LAN ramps is like this. Different local LAN ramps technologies are available in the market. So simply I will brief four things here. So it is used to make a bridge. It makes to make a bridge or a link between business, schools, and business persons to schools and homes or consumer to communicate background. Okay, to provide of access ramps can be categorized into the four way. There are telecom based technology, cable TV based technology, wireless based technology, computer based online information services, WAN, wide area network. Okay, for example, first of all we will take the telecom based technologies. Okay, in the telecom based technologies, okay, so the particular product is ordered with the telephone. Okay, so the telephone is a hardware, it contains the software. Okay, you will order that particular product in the online mode to call to the customer care, and you order the your product to the particular customer care center. Then the customer care center will receive your order and process that business organization customer care center will process your order. So this online business is going on with the telecom based communication. Then cable TV based communication. If you present days, if you see the cable TV, that means TV, if you open the TV, then the TV contain so many channels like Naptal, okay, or like other separate channels are there throughout the channels. So many products are daily advertised. If the consumer is interested, simply he can order through phone, okay, or missed call to the particular code number, and that order will be received, and the product will be delivered to the customer. Okay, like that, with the help of cable TV based online business also going on in the present days. Then wireless based. Okay, so in the wireless based technology, the information is processed from the one end to the another end with the wireless communication system. Okay, so then computer based online information system. So presently we are seeing the Amazon or online businesses, banking organization businesses, everything will be going on with mobile based or computer based online information system. Through this system only the information will be sent from the consumer to the consumer to the global, and global to the again local, and local to the again particular business organization. Okay, so like that the information will be processed. Okay, then next come to the global information distribution network. So the global information distribution networks will connect, will establish the relationship, or will communicate the relationship between the globally wide area networks, long area networks, okay, is connected with the global information distribution network. So it explains about the infrastructure regarding maintaining the relationship among the countries, not only single country. For example, if you access from the India to the United States of America, USA, then the connectivity must be established between the Indian server to the US server. Okay, so this can be done now, done with the global information distribution network. Okay, so like that, the connectivity between the different countries, okay, communication between the countries is happened with the global information distribution networks. Okay, this infrastructure include OFC, optical fiber cable network. These OFC cables are very powerful and cable technology from optical fiber cable. So the optical fiber cable, the information will be transferred into the light. Okay, so the light will be sent from one end to the another end with the optical fiber cable technology. So other end, the information also received in the form of light, and the light is converted again into the particular information. Okay, this is totally belongs to the some technologies which is mainly available in the electronics chapter, that is in the physics, and okay, so our networking technologies of computer science subject. Okay, so like that, OFC cables will be connect from countries to countries, or from one state to another state. Long wide distances will be connected with the OFC cables only, optical fiber cable network only. Why? Because the OFC cable will transfer the information in the form of light. The traveling of light, the speed of light will be very high. It is very high speed, and so there is no data losses are going not occurred in the OFC cable technology. Okay, so then this is coaxial cables. This is somewhat older than the OFC, and radio waves. This is Inca. This is older and older of the coaxial cables. Okay, now presently only two satellites technologies, and with the help of satellite network, okay, directly the information will be connected with the satellite from our country, and the satellite will produce that information to the another country through the satellite technologies. So satellite technologies and OFC, optical fiber cable technologies, so the long area distances, that means one country to the another country, so the connectivity is going on in the particular global information distribution network. Okay, so like that, the highway components are majorly classified into consumer access equipment, local and ramps, and global information distribution networks. Okay, so like that, the mainly the highway components are very useful components. The technology, the highway technology is very useful technology which will connect or establish the relationship between the consumer to the business organization, and business organization to the consumer. Okay, so in the simple manner, okay, it is nothing but a back end. Okay, so for example, a particular application is successfully done in the user environment. Okay, so there are two types of applications are available, that is front end technologies and back end technologies. The front end technologies are the front end softwares. The front end softwares only visible to the customer, and the front end softwares only interact with the customers. The front end softwares are again take the support of back end softwares, and the back end technologies will totally take the responsibilities of front end softwares requests or front end software works, and that back end technologies and back end equipment will take this all these works, and again give return to the response to the front end technologies, and the front end technologies will show the information of a particular transaction, and that will be displayed with the help of front end technology to the customer. So generally the customers know only front end technologies, okay, the front end applications only, but compared to the front-end technology or front-end applications, the back-end softwares and back-end applications, software applications or hardware applications, totally the major task is going on in the back-end only. Okay, so that is the very important thing. Okay, this is the while the e-commerce business or online business are successfully implemented from the consumer to consumer or consumer to business organization or business organization to the business organization. Okay, so in this environment generally we see only front end technologies only, but in the back end so there are a lot of technologies and a lot of applications are worked, so that technologies are comes under to the totally called as highway technologies. So this highway technologies are majorly classified into three types. Okay, consumer access equipments and local and RAMs and global information distribution systems. Okay, so like that with the help of this highway components, highway backend softwares and hardware technologies, successfully the e-commerce business are implemented. Okay, thank you.